Hello EastMallBuy fans, welcome back in another video. This time I'll be showing you real quick how you can order the items on EastMallBuy. So Christmas is right behind the corner and everyone is wondering where you can find high quality shoes like these, let's say, for a fraction of price, for a very cheap, and this is possible with EastMallBuy. Let me show you real quick. So just like PandaBuy last time, now you can buy items on EastMallBuy for a very attractive price. Let me show you real quick how to look for items. So on websites such as the EastMallBuy finds, you can find a lot of beautiful items and links for the items. Let's go here, let's buy some Timberlands. And as you can see here, we have a loads of links that we can use. Let me just select this one and let me copy this waiting link, which is the initial link for the item. Let's just copy this, or you can actually go and click here on EastMallBuy straight. That takes you to the EastMallBuy website. Let's copy this link and let's put this link to the searching bar. And just like this, now it opens the same thing that we previously had there. So this is the item. Now let's choose the color and the size. Let's put it to the size 42. Now as you can see the quality of the shoe. This is how it all looks like. You can see that it all just has the UV lights. The shoes are EastMallBuy offers you such high quality pictures before purchasing the item, and when the package comes to the warehouse you can actually get the QC pictures as well. So here we have it, guys. Let's just simply pay for this thing now. So let's click on buy now, and here we have to submit. So let's quickly press submit. Alright, and now once the package comes to the warehouse, this is how it all looks like. You've got to go to the warehouse. And here you've got all those items that are available in the warehouse. As for now, I have only this jacket available in the warehouse. So let me show you real quick how it all looks like. When I click on the QC pictures, this is how I get all the QC pictures that EastMallBuy employees have taken for me. I can see whether I like this jacket or not. I can see the quality of the jacket. It all looks very nice, very beautiful. If you have some problems, you can always just message them here, or if you want to get the additional QC pictures, just quickly select the buy additional QC pictures option here. It's just so simple. Then you've got to submit all of the packages. Recently I ordered more items, so I'm waiting for them to arrive, and when they arrive I will show you once again how you can submit a package on EastMallBuy. As you can see, the time procedure they have is within 24 hours, so that's very fast. The quality check time is within 4 hours and the parcel packing time is within 4 hours as well. The transport efficiency is around 10 to 20 days when it comes to the Europe, and 12 or 15 days if you are from US or Canada. So this is how it all looks like, guys. If you want to purchase a haul from EastMallBuy, you're very welcomed. As you can see, they are running a Christmas sale right now. We're on their Discord server. You can get up to a lot of different sales and offers. You can get